Hi, guys. My name is David, and I've been working on a project that I've recently started calling Metta Learning, which is a bit of a pun on Metta, which is love and kindness in Buddhism, and Metta, that is learning how to learn. And the basic thesis that I'm trying to test is that the way we can get compassionate, caring AGI, so basically solve both alignment and capabilities, is via the same mechanism, and that is training agents in socially complex environments. Essentially, I'm trying to take this thing we did with language models, which is take a very large data set and train a very large neural network to essentially grok that data set without us having to figure out exactly what it is doing. I'm trying to do the same thing for agents, essentially train a neural net to behave in an environment in an intelligent and compassionate way. And the way I think we can do this is by creating an environment full of other agents that are both competing with each other and cooperating with each other. And so I've been building both the environments and the training infrastructure and training neural networks to essentially operate in this environment. And the premise is that when you're in a world full of other learning agents, some of whom you're competing with, some who you're cooperating with, you're forced to always be adapting. The world is always changing around you because anytime you learn something useful, your competitors have learned that as well. And so it's never enough to just master your world. The only way to adapt to a changing adaptive world is to learn how to learn. And so the idea is that in trying to achieve fitness in a socially complex world, if you do this long enough and your neural networks are large enough so that they can actually encode these algorithms, what you're learning is you're meta learning. You're learning, how do I learn better? Because that's the only real source of competitive advantage. And Foresight was generous enough to sponsor this research about a year ago. I've made a ton of progress and I've been having a lot of fun. I recently, a month ago, joined a startup that is working on basically the same thing. And so now this project has grown into a funded startup. And I'm really excited about where it's going. And thank you, Foresight, for helping turn that into reality.
Thank you.